Hi guys, it's Dan Taylor here and welcome to the channel. On here we'll be posting all things about commercial property. I'm an investor in commercial assets and every week we'll be releasing a video on all things commercial property, commercial asset acquisitions, whether that be tax strategies, whether that be strategies of how to accelerate underlying capital values, how to accelerate cash flow, and all cool things, cool creative commercial property strategies, from strategy stacking to structural stacking. So if you're a business owner, or if you're a SSAS trustee, and indeed if you're an existing property investor, then you really want to do three things. Firstly, you want to subscribe below. Secondly, you want to click the bell icon to make sure you don't miss anything. And thirdly, click the link below here somewhere, where you'll be able to jump on a free workshop where you hear from some clients we have just now that have really helped. One in particular that we've managed to help grow turbocharge his SaaS income by 500%. That's right, we've managed to help him grow his SaaS income by 500% within about 7-9 months, in that range, and he's a happy bunny. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, if you're a business owner, if you're a SaaS trustee, if you're an existing residential property investor, then three things: subscribe, click the link below, hit the bell icon, and click the link and you'll get a free introduction, a free insights where we'll pull back the cover on commercial property and how you can get involved and how you can grow your SaaS without the risk of refurbs or without being subordinated by a bank. If that sounds cool, do those things and I look forward to speaking to you soon over the coming weeks. Bye.